Welcome, dear friend. I'm so glad you're here to kick off the new year with intention and abundance. Get comfy, take a breath, and let's dive in. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need a little extra space to reflect on your intentions. Take all the time you need. Abundance is more than just material wealth. It's a state of being that encompasses spiritual richness, love, happiness, and fulfillment. It's the feeling of being connected to the universe and trusting that all your needs are met. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, imagine any tension or stress dissolving into the air, like the mist evaporating in the morning sun. Feel a lightness as your shoulders relax. Your breath gets deeper. Slow, deep, nourishing breaths. Set our intentions for the new year. For this meditation, I recommend choosing only 3 intentions to focus on, or maybe even just one for full amplification. What are the most important things you want to manifest in your life? What kind of abundance do you want to attract? Ask yourself, what would bring me the greatest joy and fulfillment? What kind of abundance would nourish my mind, my heart, and spirit? What desires align with your deepest values and highest version of yourself? intentions gently in your mind and begin to tune into the feelings you desire to experience. What sensations, emotions, and vibrations do you want to cultivate in your life? Instead of focusing solely on the external outcome, tap into the essence of what you are truly seeking. For example, envision yourself embodying the qualities of being deeply fulfilled, purposeful, and inspired. Allow this vibrant emotional resonance to ignite within you, and let its gentle yet powerful guidance inform your intention, shaping the very essence of what you are calling into your being. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, repeat the phrase, "I am worthy of abundance." I am worthy of abundance. Worthy of abundance. Allow this affirmation to sink deeply into your heart and mind. As you seal your intentions, repeat the phrase, "I trust in the infinite abundance of the universe." I trust in the infinite abundance of the universe. I trust in the infinite abundance of the universe. Know that you are deserving of all the good that life has to offer. as you are ready, take a deep breath in and slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical space, feeling refreshed and renewed. Remember, abundance is a state of being that's always available to you. May you walk in the light of abundance throughout the year. And before you go, take a moment to amplify your intentions by writing it down in the comments below. Sharing your intentions with the community can be a powerful way to manifest your desires. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for a year filled with inspiring meditations, guidance, and support. Thank you for being a part of this community. Namaste.